A mind is a strange place, strange and solitary. It's the only place where, with all of our passions of reason and all of our calculations of emotion, we render reality what it is. The mind is the only place where truth is won or lost, where beauty means anything, where mathematics and God and the color of your mother's eyes still exist. And that out of such solitude and such strangeness, one mind can touch another, can touch a constellation of others, touch the spirit of its time and the soul of the future. This is the great miracle that makes the loneliness bearable. And it also makes life worth living. This is something I read recently, written by Maria Popova. And it reminds me that this is why we write, to share the sight of math, of our memories of childhood, of our emotions of God, of the color of our mother's eyes, to connect our mind, our heart, our experience of living with the mind and the heart of another, to remember our authentic self, which is connection, which is joy and beauty. And art, writing, music, these are the ways we connect this dark and strange solitude that we have with the dark and strange solitude that of another. This writing, this art is what connects us, removing us from that solitude of being, from removing us from being that lonely star out here in its darkness. Because we are not just the mind, we are not just our thoughts. In fact, we are not mind, we are heart. And within heart is the word art. Buried in it, it's our particular way of being alive. Our art, our expression is our particular, our unique way of being alive and of expressing the true nature of what we are. And that true nature is what we attempt to give form to language, to paint, to dance, to write, to express that beauty and that joy that sees us, that sees from us and experiences the world. And here, in the sight of us, is able to touch the constellation of other hearts. This is our urgency, this is our agency to make, as Georgia O'Keeffe wrote so beautifully, to make our unknown known. That is our urgency, that is our agency. We have our solitude, we have this strange darkness in which we inhabit, and we want to communicate our unknown with another. So, as a way of beginning to communicate that solitude, that strangeness, which is beautiful, I want you to put yourself on the page. I want to put your mother on the page, or your father on the page, or put God on the page, put your math on the page, put this very day that is in front of you, that is out your window, that is passing you by as you're walking or driving in the car. Put it on the page. That's your writing prompt today. Put what is out my window on the page. Put what is right in front of you on the page. Put your mother on the page. Put your father on the page. Write about your mother's eyes, and then your father's hands. And then write about the longing you carry. Try that today as an exercise, as you are cultivating your writing practice. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, short video today, but I wanted to share that quote by Maria Popova. I just thought that, I don't know, it just was something I wanted to share with you. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your audience. I hope you write beautifully today. I know that if you do write, it will be beautiful because beautiful is what you are. Blessings.